Eva.
And I'm Isaac.
And today we have a special star guest,
Seneca.
And together, all three of us, we are the Alright guys, so now we are all finished. We've got everything laid out in front of us, and we are all good to go. And we're excited to have our first actual star guest here, Seneca, and she's going to be helping us out with this. So first we're going to need is I think a medium bowl. First is Isaac. Here is the, wait. No. Whisk together the eggs, milk, butter, vanilla. So here you go. So 1.5 cups of milk.
Yeah. So it's just all of it.
Right, we're not actually gonna go through it because the ingredients will be shown at the beginning. So we're just gonna say milk and stuff. So this is, you're gonna pour in the milk, okay? And we're gonna do the eggs.
So do I do it too?
You can do an egg.
2 eggs. Okay.
And I will do an egg as well. So we're gonna do 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Oh my god. Oh my god, video.
That's so weird. Okay, yeah.
Ow.
Okay, oh, it worked.
That.
Trying to get eggshells in it.
Not anymore.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Okay,
that was not me.
Okay.
That was the egg's fault. Yeah,
okay.
Sometimes they don't crack right.
And now we do the butter and vanilla. So here you go.
Wait, no, don't you just whisk these two together first?
No.
This
butter.
is so uncomfortable. Does this need to be softened? Oh wait,
yeah, it's already softened. Go ahead.
Hold on.
Go ahead and wash your hands off.
Yeah.
Really, Isaac? Come on, bro. What the frick,
Disgusting.
man? What the frick, man?
Sorry,
Floki, get over here.
Well,
milk.
no, Floki. No, he didn't have milk. It's okay. He can look it up. He's gonna get fat.
So we put our butter in there, and now we need to put our vanilla in. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. So
you
now,
can like see it, like.
ooh, that is weird.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's strange.
And you guys can't see, so that sucks.
That sucks.
Yeah, that sucks.
Sucks.
Sucks to suck. Can I blend it?
Go ahead.
With
Do it on 1 first.
On 1? Is it on 1? I don't know.
Yeah, no, this is a 1, so you just press it up. That. So we're gonna blend all this together really quickly. Whisk. Not like an electric mixer.
Say what we're making?
Oh yeah. We'll do it at the end. It said like soft. Stop.
What?
I always forget this. Okay, take this out. I cannot believe this. I thought it said softened.
What?
You thought it said softened too, right? It was
didn't
melted.
I didn't read it.
We're done. That was fine. Everything is fine. Now, we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna take this. And yeah, now we're gonna add the other stuff.
Yeah.
We're putting the rest of the stuff, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Here's the sugar. Baking powder, and you can put the salt in.
I put the salt.
And go ahead and mix it, but on 1, because otherwise flour will fly everywhere.
In 1?
On 1. And just mix it around. Okay, well, we're gonna make it exciting really quickly. We were just getting through this part really quick. So we're gonna make a well in the center, which basically means you put a hole in the center of the flour after you've washed your hands.
Oh.
And then
yeah.
we all wash our hands.
Yeah, but I touched Floki. No,
okay. And then you pour it in the center. I don't know why. Maybe just so it doesn't go like.
But you can't do it too much.
It's kind of hard, but
a few long. But you can't do it too much. Yes.
And now we are going to magically teleport the thing here. Get over here, Isaac. We're teleporting something.
Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh my god!
Wow, it's here.
Oh. I'm stupid. I'm like, how do I open this?
So yeah, now we're going to make waffles. We should probably plug it in.
Wait, you guys don't have the circle waffles? I've never
Ew.
been here.
That's like a
Waffles?
professional. Like,
We're gonna wait until this heats up all the way, and then we can start putting in the waffle batter and making the waffles.
Did you just say, oh, the waffle battle?
Basically.
it's gonna burn my face.
Oh my gosh, drama queen. Speaking of queens.
Wait, did you know it's raining? You know, this is only waffles for 2 people.
So we need 2 for each one. So this will be 1, this will be 2, and then this will be 3 and 4. So we'll have an extra that the parents can taste. We're gonna have all the parents taste test it, and then get their approval on it too. That's what we usually do.
So, here's the Nutella.
Nutella.
Okay.
Nutella.
The
Okay.
nut.
And grab
I think you're getting
okay,
waffles.
so you can do as much as you want, but like not that much.
Just do a gallon.
Don't be sugar rush.
Estimate. No, that's what
And guys,
Go on the other side.
reminder, this is night for us.
It's like
I don't know if you're like on like the other side of the world watching this.
8 out of 10.
you could possibly be. Hi, Sunniba. Sorry, I said that weird. So what do I do after I'm finished putting the peanut butter and the
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles, of course. Do we put the
Don't do whipped cream
first?
No, you have to. Oh yeah, the whipped cream.
Okay.
No, you can do sprinkles, whipped cream, sprinkles.
Okay. I'm gonna get a spoon for the whipped cream just because that's easier.
Oh yeah.
Yas.
It's
9.
Oh, jeez. So yeah, you basically just put a blob on there, and then it'll squish down later. And I'm gonna put on some delicious sprinkle.
delicious. You mean delicious?
No, Balia.
You can tell me what to do next.
Smush it together.
Ooh, ready for this? This is like that donut place that smushes donuts
Smash
with ice cream.
Smush it.
So here we go. We got the delicious dessert peanut butter whipped cream
can I lick this off?
waffle.
Can I lick this off?
Yes.
Oh my god, I love peanut butter.
Oh, no, it's so good.
Oh my goodness, the whipped cream tastes amazing. This just looks like a normal waffle. I just tasted the whipped cream. Everyone knows whipped cream is good.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat it till they're finished, so hurry up.
What if someone doesn't like whipped cream?
Shit.
Oh
Let's
my
squish
gosh.
Just your butt cheeks.
We are farting. Goodness.
This is extremely small. Look how small.
Oh my gosh, I know. All right, is everybody ready to take the first bite?
No.
3, 2, 1, go. Ah, it's pokey.
Pokey.
Ooh.
I got whipped cream. That's all.
I got a lot of peanut butter in my bite.
Oh my gosh, Nutella.
I got everything in my back.
How does it taste? Mine's
So
kinda,
good.
my waffles cooled down.
Smells like eggs. Oh wait.
What?
Use eggs. That's so good.
Anyways, guys, I think that is the end of this video.
Yeah.
So we'll
see you when we find a new recipe.
Peace.
Bye, bro. I'm Chad. Bye.
Wow.